Glaucoma, often referred to as the silent thief of sight, is a progressive eye disease that can lead to irreversible vision loss if left untreated. With its subtle onset and gradual progression, many individuals may not realize they have glaucoma until significant damage has already occurred. However, there are steps one can take to manage this condition and preserve vision. 1. Symptoms of glaucoma. Glaucoma often develops slowly without early symptoms but can lead to peripheral vision loss, tunnel vision, blurred vision, halos around lights, and complete vision loss if untreated. It is primarily caused by elevated intraocular pressure, IOP, which damages the optic nerve due to impaired drainage of aqueous humor. Risk factors include family history, age, ethnicity, African or Hispanic descent, diabetes, hypertension, and eye injuries or surgeries. While medical supervision is crucial, some natural remedies can help manage glaucoma. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, a popular alternative treatment for glaucoma, may offer significant benefits due to its antioxidant properties. It helps stabilize and protect the mitochondrial membrane, potentially reducing oxidative stress-related eye damage. Additionally, its vasodilatory and anti-inflammatory effects provide neuroprotection, which could be beneficial in glaucoma treatment. Although more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness, ginkgo biloba is considered a low-risk option for those managing glaucoma. 3. Dark, leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens such as spinach are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, K, and nitrate. These components play a role in the production of nitric oxide, which regulates intraocular pressure, IOP, by facilitating the outflow of aqueous humor. Adding these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can contribute to overall eye health and may help manage glaucoma by supporting optimal nitric oxide levels. 4. Omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fish oil and flaxseed, provide numerous health benefits, including potential protection against oxidative stress in glaucoma. These fatty acids enhance ocular health through their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties within the retina. Achieving a balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids is essential to maximize these benefits. While omega-3 supplementation can be advantageous, it is important to consume them in moderation to avoid potential adverse effects. 5. Vitamins for eye health. Vitamins A, B, and C play vital roles in maintaining ocular function and protecting against oxidative damage. Vitamin A, in particular, supports retinal health and may have a protective effect against glaucoma progression. Similarly, B vitamins help regulate homocysteine levels, which can contribute to retinal damage. At the same time, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. It's essential to consume these vitamins in appropriate doses to optimize eye health while avoiding potential adverse effects. 6. Bilberry and melatonin. Bilberry extract shows promise in mitigating retinal damage and providing a neuroprotective effect, although further research is needed to confirm its efficacy. Similarly, melatonin, known for its role in regulating sleep and circadian rhythms, exhibits antioxidant properties that may benefit individuals with glaucoma. While these supplements hold potential, cautious consideration and consultation with your doctor is advised due to limited data on optimal dosage and safety.